Bosch 11255 VSR 1-inch SDS Plus Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer is built for tough applications in concrete, steel, and wood. This rotary hammer features 7.5 amps and 0 to 1300 RPM and 0 to 5800 BPM. A multifunction selector offers 3 operation modes: rotary hammer, rotation only, and hammer only. VARIO-LOCK positioning rotates and locks the chisel into 36 positions to optimize the working angle. A patented rotating brush plate provides equal power in forward and reverse, and a variable speed trigger with reversing action offers accurate bit starting as well as removing fasteners or bound bits. An integral clutch disengages torque transmission if the bit gets bound up. The SDS Plus bit system offers toolless bit changes with automatic bit locking, dust protection, and maximum impact energy transfer. The 11255 VSR D-handle design is ideal for overhead and downward drilling applications. A patented cord turret features a 35-degree pivot for added flexibility and longer cord life. The Bosch hammer hook allows for quick tool storage during the job. The Bosch 11255 VSR delivers on the performance promise of all Bosch rotary hammers: toughness, quality, and reliability combined with innovation. So this is the Bosch 11255 VSR 1-inch SDS Plus Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.